love life ng isang bankero? Alamin yan kasama si Torio and the rest of the gang sa Uzi.
Kwentong pinaghiwalay ng magulang at kwentong umamit sa crush. Mapapanood.
At ang katambay natin mamaya sa ating first ever interactive concert, Neptali Toribio, live only here on Pi Night Long.
Oh my God.
So excited.
It's finally happening. Yes! Welcome to your brand new nightly interactive tambayan dito sa Pi! Woo! I'm your hopeless romantic love guru, Karen Bordador. What's up, everyone?
Hey! Hi, guys! Samahan nyo kami tonight dahil 3 hours tayo magchichikahan, magkukulitan at magdadamayan. I am your Mr. GV. Franny! Aaron Maniego, hi!
Yes! And stay tuned dahil meron tayong pa-sound trip na hatid ng Dear United live tonight on Pi Night Long. Again, this is your sweet and always G-girl, Renee Dominique.
Loves it! And of course, just like Pi Night Long, lahat ng shows dito sa Pi Channel ay multi-platform.
Yes.
Imagine that. So mapapanood nyo siya sa TV, sa cellphone, sa laptop, at kung anumang device ang meron ninyo.
And guys, make sure to rescan your digital boxes para mahanap nyo kami, para mahanap nyo ang Pi. You can also watch us on our YouTube channel, I Am Pi Official, and syempre on our website, pi.com.ph.
Yes, available na din ang Pi Channel sa Sky Cable Channel 21. Again, that's Channel 21 on Sky Cable starting May 28th. Available na din tayo sa G-Live on the GCash app.
G-Live!
So exciting! But first, okay, makiki-Uzi tayo. Alright?
Ooh, I love that.
Ang unang portion natin ay para sa mga Uzisero at Usisera tulad namin.
Of course.
I'm ready. I have my whole...
Oh, come on, let's go. We got our
Let's
food.
go
We
here.
are so ready. This is Uzi! Alright, there you go.
Wow!
Welcome back. We're so live right now, guys.
Wait, I wasn't ready.
You're already making
Wait
Uzi.
lang.
Already.
Sa'yo talaga to?
No.
Oh, wow, I have two options.
You have two
I
options,
love
yeah.
it.
Can we just share, guys, sobrang chill namin dito na nakakapag-snacks pa kami while
I
hosting.
know,
diba?
exactly. And anyways, here on Uzi, may papanoorin tayo palabas. At dahil Uzi, tayong lahat, pag-uusapan natin yan.
That's right. At syempre, kasali kayo sa chikahan. So, do tweet right now yung mga gusto nyong sabihin. Mga paramdam, mga pa-shoutout. Just use the hashtag Pi Night Long para mabasa namin yan.
And of course, guys, para mas interactive tayo lahat, pumunta tayo sa pi.com.ph/join. You can also scan the QR code na makikita ninyo sa inyong mga screen para makasali tayo in real time, para makapag-interact tayo real time dito, di ba?
At kung nakalogin na kayo sa device nyo, testingan natin yan!
Oh.
Okay, we have a very difficult question right now, guys.
Nako.
And we will be asking you, our katropais, ito yung sample question natin for our show today. Sino ang may best dance moves sa aming tatlo?
It's Monday!
Ano ba yan?
Hey, Monday pa lang, magsisimula pa lang tayo.
Happy feet agad. So, of course, you got me, Karen, Aaron, and Renee. So, kayo po ang pipili kung sino ang sa
Let's
tingin
go, guys.
best dancer.
Grabe.
Scan the
Okay.
QR code.
Wait lang,
start
syempre
voting.
sampulan natin
tayo,
sila,
tayo,
diba?
tayo.
Oh, we should
Do we
give them
have
a sample.
music? Ba,
So,
direct?
why should we vote for you, Karen?
Wait,
For the
wala
best
pa nga
dancer?
eh.
Ay, wala pa. Ano?
Dapat nga by dance, ano yun? By
Ah, by
words?
dance.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, okay.
So,
Ah!
go, ikaw muna. Go, Karen muna, Karen muna. Yes.
Wow!
Ah!
Oh, let's vibe!
Very hopeless romantic dancer talaga eh.
Ocho!
Very bagay sa nickname eh.
Ano na Aaron? Okay, the challenge.
Yes, feel the feel.
Ay, nahulog yung ano ko. Natamaan yung ano ko.
Yeah.
Emotion!
Let's go, Aaron! Let's go, let's go!
Ah, ito na. Sino na eh?
Ready to like.
Yan. So fierce, oh.
Sa dating tayo
I love the time already. She's so freaking fierce, guys.
handa.
I'm ready to...
She got the
Party.
She got the facial expression.
Actually, nakikita ko sa backstage. Nagpo-practice talaga siya eh.
Oh, diba? Alright, guys, you have the power to vote
Yes!
now.
Okay,
Is
why
it-
should we vote for you?
No, vote for them.
Is it, ano, who? Me? You?
You guys, I'm a true host, guys. So, kayo guys. Why?
You know what,
let's
kailangan-
go. Upo na tayo, guys.
nga,
You know what, kailangan natin maging mas
Sige.
confident sa sarili natin eh. I feel like Karen will win
What
this.
the?
For what? Kasi confident.
Bagay na bagay yung pag-dance niya sa moniker niya eh.
I like her
Plus
little lip
romantic.
bite situation.
Parang alam niyo yung sa movie, kapag the girl is finally free from the toxic exes, biglang sumasayaw siya sa
Wow.
club.
Oh.
It's giving very that.
It's
Love
like
that.
there's a typhoon going on.
Okay, guys, we got 20 seconds left.
Yeah,
What's
so
happening
far,
now?
leading is Aaron with 50%.
Oh my gosh,
Love that.
guys.
And
Stop.
Renee is 30-ish%, and I'm failing.
10 seconds left, guys. People, oh my god, I can't believe this is
I think
actually
it's the
real
tongue. I
thing.
think they want the tongue.
This is the real thing.
Do you want the fierce, ano? Let's
Yes.
Renee?
Oh my gosh. Time's
Oh my
up,
gosh,
guys.
Aaron!
Oh my
Aaron,
gosh.
you got some dance moves going on.
I'd like to thank everyone here tonight. And guys, you'll see more of me after 12 midnight. After 12 midnight! Grabe.
Patikim pa lang to, baby.
Patikim pa lang.
Basically, sample lang po yan sa aming mga questions. And I think they want a lot of tongue on the show.
Oh my God.
So, ngayon ready na kayo maki-Uzi. Panoorin natin ang kwento ng isang bankero at maki-Uzi sa love life niya. This Uzi presents Iba!
Welcome to Iba Zambales! Woo! Kung gusto nyo ng masaya at hindi makakalimutang boat tour, dito na kayo sa aking Shanty Boat! Gusto nyo ba ng adventure na kakaiba? Halika na sa Iba Zambales! Woo! Wala kang jowa? Punta ka dito! Maraming maganda at gwapo dito katulad ko. Sobrang romantic kasi ng place dito kaya... Ano po inaantay nyo? Tara na! Tayin ko kayo ah. Ang ganda no? Di ba? Kala mo nasa langit ka. Pero buhay na buhay talaga mga tao rito. Kahit na nga yung mga turista halos parang gusto na nilang manirahan dito eh. Pero syempre kaming mga locals, hindi kami dito aalis. Kaya welcome to Iba Zambales! Yun no? So paano? Una na ako ha. Sarap pa naman dito magbike sa Iba Zambales pag sunset. Kita nyo yun? Ano pa? Bye! Hello, ako po si Toro Delgado. Isa po akong bangkero dito sa Iba, Zambales.
May special skills ka ba bukod sa pagiging bangkero?
Special skill?
Grabe, special talent na pala yun. Oh my gosh.
Ay, ganyan ko lang niya na-realize that this is Steve pala.
Plot twist. Plot twist.
Plot twist. First of all, can I just say, Iba Zambales is such a nice place.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we should go. We should go there.
Walang naiiba.
Naiiba. Wow. So everyone's the same.
Oo. Hindi, wala nga. O nga, no?
Okay.
Nasa isip kayo doon, ah.
Oo nga eh. Anyways, guys, here is our choosy moment. Nako, where we, or not us, but kung saan kailangan nyo mag-choose ng inyong Uzi opinion. So guys, question. Ang boatman, forget or bet?
Jowang boatman.
Boatman. Yeah. Okay. Can I answer the question first? Yes, if he like owns a yacht.
Oh my
God.
gosh.
Yun ba yung boatman ni Renee?
I don't think we're talking about a yacht.
Iba
Oh,
tayo pag
sorry. Is
boatman
that
natin
not?
eh.
Oh, is that not?
Bangkero.
Bangkero.
Bangka.
As in, maliit na bangka.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
It's like
like-
shanty boat. Bangka.
Shanty
Shanty boat.
Shanty boat!
Oo.
BGC Orion.
Business tea kasi, hindi, Manila Bay.
Ay.
Oo, kasi nandun yung mga yate.
Oh, that's true.
Kayo
So,
ba?
kayo, well, for me, okay, let's be practical. Okay, let's just look at the bright side of that. Meron naman siyang earnings, diba? As in, hindi naman illegal yung ginagawa niya. Diba?
Totoo.
So, if wala ka ng choice,
Walang choice.
joke lang. No, why not? Why not? It's a job.
Malay nyo kasi maganda yung personality.
You can have intellectual conversation. Ano boat?
At least lalayag kayo. Diba?
At least sa
ikaw ba?
kanya, balance. Diba? Kasi mahilig sila sa balance eh. Ako,
10
G.
seconds, guys.
Bet na
Tsaka,
bet.
batak yung mga katawan ng mga
That's true.
bangkero.
Because that's your first.
Oo.
Yes.
Why
Okay,
not?
so what is the katropay?
Ano yung boat
Hindi
nila?
naman forever eh.
Carry
lang.
lang.
When the rises, they will take advantage of it.
Yeah. Yeah. Which is smart, diba?
Ako din, if I were in an island, tapos biglang like Boracay, Siargao, tapos biglang may makikita nilang sasabihin niya sa akin na tara, let's go on a ride. Sabi ko, yes!
Yeah, as in like a ride at.
A ride at sa bangka.
Sa bangka. Okay.
Oo,
Okay.
ride sa
You have to be
bangka.
clear.
Grabe naman yung brain mo.
Yes,
Wow! Alright. Coming from you,
Kapag
okay.
really, pag nasa island ka kasi, parang you never know what's gonna happen.
That's
what
Oo.
happens, kaya nga,
And
they say
what
what
then?
happens in
The island.
Boracay or wherever.
In Iba.
happens There,
Boracay.
or Iba, diba?
Yes.
So, there you have it. Kung bitin kayo sa kwento, don't worry, itutuloy natin ang Uzi Presents Iba mamaya.
Alright guys, do not forget to tweet us and use the hashtag PieNightLong to join the discussion. And syempre, walang aalis. Magbabalik tayo dito sa Pie Night Long. Babalik ko yun. Babalik.
Later. See you in a bit.
BRB lang. BRB lang ha. BRB.
Okay akong gumawa ng boatman, regardless of the occupation, regardless of anything. Basta mahal niya ako.
Oh yes, wala naman po sa antas ng buhay ang pagmamahal kasi dapat fair lang po lahat nakakatanggap ng pagmamahal. Sa akin okay lang, basta ititreat niya ako ng tama. Okay naman po. Kasi hindi naman yun hadlang para magjowa ka ng Kung mahal mo, di ba? Okay lang naman.
Yes, I would definitely date a boatman. Why? Why not? Diba? Boatman. Ano namang masama kung makipag-date sa boatman?
Ang perks sa pagjowa ng isang boatman ay adventures,
New life.
kaya kanyang sagipin sa mga panahong nalulunod ka.
I bet he has a boat. And do some sea stuff.
Importante ba para sa inyo ang abs?
Doesn't matter to me naman. Yeah, nothing wrong with dating a boatman.
Tsaka na yung abs, kailangan may papakain mo na. Mas prefer ko kasi yung chubby-chubby.
Gusto ko yung chubby kasi malambot. Oo. Perks ng pagjowa ng boatman is masarap.
Welcome to Barangay Pai.
Mahigamon ang aso, nagsumbong kay Mang Ingo, pinatawag ang aso sa barangay.
Kami naman ang ulam nyo, ang
Bye. Bye.
Ayan, welcome back. You're still watching Pie Night Long. But first, basahin muna natin yung mga tweets that you guys sent using the hashtag Pie Night Long.
Yes.
Let's go. I'm so excited. This is our
First
First live.
ever tweet entry.
Is that me?
Oh, yeah, go, read
No,
out.
this is, okay, it's from Armando Nacional. Did I tweet myself? Okay, OMG, congratulations in advance. Deserve na deserve. More blessings to come.
Yes.
Truly, deserve,
Grand
deserve.
Finalo Week. Hashtag Pie Night Long. Thank you so much, Armando, and everyone else. I hope you guys are super tweeting tonight.
Yes. Sabi naman ni Special J Rocks, hashtag Pie Night Long. Exciting tong Uzi, ha? Super exciting, I'm telling you.
The first interactive serye in television
I know.
history.
Yes,
Diba?
exactly. Interactive live.
Napakaraming exciting na opportunities will arise.
Yeah.
Will arise.
And you know what? It's a one-week story. So, ang
Yeah.
napanood nyo today, kung juicy siya, meron pa bukas up
I
till
know.
Friday. So,
Up
let's
till
see.
Sunday, right?
Yeah, oh, that's right! The whole
Yeah.
entire week. We're till Sunday, guys!
Sunday.
Yo!
We are here 7 days a week para sa inyo, mga
Exactly.
katropay.
Diba exciting? So, ang dami talaga mangyayari on the show. But anyway, ngayong kilala natin si Torio, alamin natin kung paano siyang boyfriend sa jowa niya. Panoorin natin yan sa continuation ng Uzi Presents Iba.
Ang tuman
Malas tayo ngayon, no?
Oo nga, ang tuman ng
Wala kasi sa mood to eh. Ah, ma'am sir, butter po.
Ma'am, sir! Dito na kayo sumakay sa akin. Hindi nyo makakalimutan yung honeymoon nyo.
Miss, butter po. Dadalhin ko po kayo sa pinakamagandang beach dito sa Iba.
Uy,
talaga.
ayos ka lang ba? Ang baba ng energy mo.
Oo naman. Bakit? Si Isla. Ay, uy, Isla. Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Hi. Ako nga pala si Isla Concepcion, 21 years old. Isa akong bartender, interpreter, events organizer, nag-host din po ako. Ay, o nga pala, sir. May tinda ako dito, pulburon tsaka peanut choco peanut. Masarap to. Ay, sige.
So, ayun, ang dami mong racket, no?
Ay, oo, ang dami kong trabaho, no? Pero, pagsamantala lang naman itong pagiging bartender, interpreter, events organizer, host, at kung ano-ano pa. Ang totoo ko talagang gusto, magkaroon ako ng sariling business. Gusto ko magkaroon ng sarili kong resort. Kaso, yun nga, struggle is real. Siyempre, kailangan kong mag-ipon muna. Torio, di ba sabi ko dalhin mo tong flyers, mag-advertise ka para magka-customer ka.
Relax lang. Mga customer, parang alon lang yan. At ako naman ang dalampasigan. Magtatagpo talaga kami ng mga yan. Kaya, huwag ka na mag-alala. Okay? Ayoko pa naman nag-aalala ka.
Araw-araw nga kaming magkasama, di ba? Totoo, mag-out nga akong maaga ngayon kasi 3rd anniversary namin ngayon. Ano kayang surprise na nun? Excite nga ako eh. Sana cake. Salamat ka. Good mood ako ngayon Oh, ito na. Kaya mo. Mamaya
Uy! Iba pag Torio!
Mamaya, ha?
Basta.
Tingnan yan. Ganun po yung flyers, no? Parang
May
okay to, no?
flyers!
Diba?
Grabe, Isla's a career woman.
She's a hustler.
Rakatera. Grabe yung interpreter. Saan nanggaling yung interpreter?
Host.
Oo, events host.
Sa mga foreigners who go to Iba, siya yung
Oo.
taga-interpret.
Kakaiba yung personality niya. Kasi very chill ng mga tao sa island.
Okay,
Pero siya
Karen
talagang
Pons.
go, go, go.
Karen
Diba?
Pons is officially starting tonight. Marami pa yan, mga katropa throughout the night.
Pero really, sobrang rakitera si Isla, no?
Totoo. Parang you wouldn't expect that from someone, kubare, na nasa chill lang sa island. Kasi the point of going to an island is for
Yeah.
you to be chill.
Exactly.
Pero for someone, as Isla, sabi nga niya, pansamantala lang yung pag-racket niya. Gusto niya magkaroon ng resort ata.
Yeah.
Oo. Kaya
Business.
very career-oriented talaga tong girl na to. Pero what do you guys think about her relationship with Torio?
I think they're kind of opposites, no? Kasi Torio is more of a chill guy,
Yeah.
which is like typical when it comes to like that kind of environment. He's very chill, very easygoing. Unlike yun nga, si Isla, she's very, yun nga, mas hustler siya. So it's
Hustler.
interesting to see like their dynamic moving forward.
Si Torio, he's actually sweet. He's
He
very
is.
sweet, diba?
Yeah.
Feeling ko, dinadaan niya sa,
Sa
baby,
lambing
ganyan.
lang.
Sa lambing.
Pero si Isla, napupolka agad.
Pero si Isla, go, go, go. Nagbigay pa nga ng flyer. So, very supportive siya. Medyo hindi naman sa pinupush. Parang parang encouraging.
Encouraging,
You know,
oo.
Torio to work harder for their future. Kasi ilang years na sila, di ba?
Pero speaking of encouraging, ito po ang ating choosy moment. Okay lang ba na maging quote-unquote pushy ang jowa? Send in your answers now. What do we think about that?
I'm
Is Isla
excited.
being pushy to Torio or hindi naman? What do you guys think?
Kanina parang hindi naman sobrang push. It was more of like, oh, I want to help you.
Yeah.
This is what you should do.
Right.
So it wasn't negative. Kasi pag pushy yung word, very negative.
Very
eh.
pilit na pilit.
Oo, parang boom, gumalaw ka.
Paano yung
Pero-
boom? Boom!
Pero this one is like, oh, ito, magbigay ng flyers. Kuha ka pa ng more customers.
Tsaka
Ganyan.
tinutulungan pa siya to improve pa.
Yeah. Very encouraging, I feel like, with Dynamic. It's not, so far so what we've seen recently, hindi pa naman siya pushy.
Hindi pa
She's
naman.
just very supportive of Torio, and she's, yun nga, parang taking the initiative to help Torio be more masipag with his work, diba?
Tsaka, I don't think their relationship is that negative kasi nakita natin sa video mismo na napaka very very dynamic, pero they're still making lambing to each other, di ba? Parang nakikita mo pa rin sweet sila sa isa't isa, kahit one's career-oriented, one's chill,
Yeah.
di ba? Pero ano kaya say ng ating mga katropa, meron silang 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, the question at hand again is, okay lang ba maging pushy ang jowa? Ang sabi ng mga katropay, ito ang results ng choosy moment natin. Sabi nila, depends sa issue. Totoo nga naman yun.
True.
True.
Relate ba tayo doon?
Okay, it depends sa issue naman talaga because some of them can be very pushy in terms of like, hindi na ako to.
Hindi na, parang
Diba?
you're forcing someone to be
inauthentic.
someone they're not.
Yeah. Pero if ito pushy in terms of like, gusto ko kasi umangat tayong dalawa.
Oo.
Right.
So, maganda naman yung pagka-push.
Pagka-push.
Yeah, but according to them, depends. They don't want, they're half-half sa okay na ba pushy or hindi.
Yes, exactly. Kayo ba mga katropay, nakaka-relate ba kayo? Let's check out the mood meter. Hindi, no?
Hindi,
or
no.
sobra, or hindi
Hindi masyado.
So,
Hi, guys.
let us know what you guys feel.
Especially
Kev.
in this pandemic, you know, a lot of us are somewhat pushing each other forward.
Yeah.
Or some people then maybe medyo, parang impatient na kasi walang trabaho, walang anything. So parang, galaw-galaw ko naman dyan. Iba-iba talaga yung dynamics nowadays.
True.
Pero meron din aspeto dyan na kuwari, hilahan lang paangat. Diba? Na you are in a relationship of friendship for the sake of not just like being with each other, pero for pushing each other up and improving each other's lives. And I think nakikita ko din kay Torio and Isla yan eh.
Wow. Or ship na.
Ship na.
Nasa team
I mean,
na
guys, we're together.
O nga, no?
Torio at Isla.
Guys, masasabi ko lang, since we're live right now, because there's heavy rain right now, magkakaroon ng onting bad signal. Kaya onting passage lang sa amin.
Yes.
Pero makikita po ninyo kami sa Channel 21 sa Sky Cable, tsaka sa YouTube channel namin, so don't forget to check out there, di ba?
Yes. I hope you guys can stick with us through this.
Sa TV box.
Sa TV box also. You guys can check us out there.
Yes.
So, ayun.
And let us feel what's happening. Okay, if you guys are relating
Yes.
or anything, don't forget to use the hashtag PieNightLong on Twitter.
Yeah.
Okay, binabasa po
Twitter.
namin
Kasi
yan
we're
during
gonna
the
feature
show.
you guys.
Alright, so going back to Torio and Isla, ang sinabi natin is as long as inaangat nila sarili nila paangat, good yun. Carry tayo sa pagiging quote-unquote pushy.
Yeah.
Alright, guys? Alright, keep it locked here because there's more to come. Pie Night Long will return. Balik dito. Pero feel ko masasawa tayo dito.
Okay.
Welcome back! You're still watching Pie Night Long. So ngayon naman, basahin natin ang padalang yung tweets using the hashtag PieNightLong.
Yun.
Let's go!
Sabi natin mga katropay.
I was just checking Twitter earlier. Let's see if it's the same.
Sabi ni E, congrats sa pilot mga ma'am she. Hashtag Pie Night Long, hashtag Uzi, hashtag Uzi presents.
That's
Thank
true.
you.
We're actually
Yeah.
all moms. She's here.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
You know what I mean, right?
Ma'am she's looking for pop she's.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, now I'm
yeah,
sorry.
all right. Not like that.
Ma'am she is a...
Oh, what is it? What is
Ma'am she is like mom plus she.
Okay.
You're getting confusing now.
So, mommy plus she.
Mommy material, but not necessarily
Like very
like a
marites,
mom.
very oozy, Sarah.
Okay.
Ito kasi mamshi, gano'n.
Ako
Okay.
ako na, we're looking for Papshi, sis. See, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
But here's another one from Joss Dizon. Hashtag Pie Night Long. Ang cozy naman ng ulan. NPL.
PNL.
Thank
Love
you,
it.
guys.
There
Yeah,
you go.
make sure to send in your tweets using the hashtag PieNightLong para naman ma-feature kayo sa aming show. But anyway, so far, mukha namang may tension ang magjowang si Torio and Isla. Let's know kung ano yung effect nito sa magiging 3rd anniversary nila sa conclusion ng Uzi Presents Iba.
Ano ba to? May blindfold ka pa ang nalalaman, ha?
Basta nga, surprise to province. Dito ka.
Mainit-init dito. Ano narinig?
Ayan, dito ka. Harap ka doon. Ready ka na ba?
Oo naman, kanina pa.
Sige, okay. 1, 2, 3. Charan! Happy anniversary! Fishball? Oh, diba tradisyon na natin to? Sa fishballan din tayo nagkita nung mga bata pa tayo. Nasa fishballan din tayo nung sinugot mo ako 3 years ago. Happy anniversary!
Yun nga eh, 3 taon na tayong ganito.
Hindi ka ata masaya. Huwag kang mag-alala. Meron pa ako special na hinanda para sa'yo. Charan! Happy 3 years!
Toryo, favorite ko to eh. Uy, natouch naman ako.
Isla, pinungutang ko lang kasi yun eh. Baka naman na pwedeng ikaw na muna magbayad. Hindi kasi nagpangabot yung alan sa dalampasigan eh.
Sige, sa'yo na lang.
Sorry, ayoko na.
Pagod na ako.
Dario, late na tayo. Gusto ka naman.
Oh my.
Nasaan tayo lahat, ha? Nasaan tayo?
That is so sad.
You know, when someone covers your eyes, you kind of expect na pagbukas nun, ang laki ng surprise.
Malaking gift. Pero yung pala, ano na to? Fishballan.
Apparently, it's what they have been, it's their tradition for the past 3 years.
For the past
na
3
si
years.
Torio, laging dinadala si Isla sa fishballan tuwing anniversary nila. So, like, you can tell sa reaction ni Isla na she's so done with it.
She's so done.
She's so done with it.
In other words, umay na siya.
Umay na
Umay
siya.
na umay
Tapos
na sa
yung cake na...
Okay na sana, tumaas na naman yung energy. Okay
Sumay na siya eh.
Yung cake na may Tupperware na walang cover.
Yung parang dinapuan na ng mga iba't ibang gamo-gamo.
Ang dami lang pinagdaanan ng cake. Okay na sana eh. Kaso lang biglang sabi, ay, pwedeng bayaran
Pwede
mo.
kong magbayad.
Ikaw muna.
Malapit na. It's so
Okay.
close.
Guys, this is a touchy subject ha, but I mean, there's nothing wrong naman with splitting the bill or if may times na yung other person naman yung magbabayad ng ano, but diba? If that's something that they've been doing for the past few years, I mean, why don't you step it up a little bit?
Yeah.
Torio, what you doing?
In all fairness, feel ko kasi in Torio's mindset, parang meron silang emotional attachment sa fishballan.
And, yeah,
diba? Nakuwari doon sila
Tradition.
nagsimula, ganon-ganon.
Doon na sila maghihiwalay.
Doon ka sila
Yun na nga
naghiwalay.
ang nangyari.
Pero guys, diba you guys go to you and your significant other will go to a same place as you have a moment there.
Yeah. That's
Diba
true
parang
naman,
you
true
treat it as your special place or special song,
True.
ganon-ganon.
May ganun ka ba? May ganung place ka ba?
Wala eh!
Like Cornelia Street by Taylor Swift.
Ano kasi sa UP? Nung
Certain tree?
nung sa ano kasi sa Lantern Parade, biglang alam mo yung nagpa-play na lang sa background, and at last I see the light.
Oh, you had that moment in
Lantern
the
Parade moment.
Oh,
guys.
ikaw, Karen, do you have that any moment?
No, I have no moments. I have forgotten all the moments. And I want to begin one very soon.
Oh! Alam mo, cut Tropa, you heard that.
So, mga
wait.
katropay.
No, but okay, let's focus, okay, at hand. Okay, si Isla, and alam niyo naman nangyari. So, ang tanong namin, here's our choosing moment. Justified ba ang rason ni Isla makipag-break? So, send in your answers and let us know what you think. Since, dun nga sila nagsama sa fishbowlan, dun sila naghiwalay. But really, to me after 3 years, dapat nga may upgrade na. Alam mo naman yung babae mo, sobrang rakitera, gustong ang daming makamit sa buhay. So, ibig sabihin, she wants more in life. Maybe after like the 3rd year, you should also give more para, di ba?
From fishbowlan, tapsilugan. Oo.
Uy, upgrade na ata sa akin. Papayag naman si Isla.
Oo, may kanin na, yung pwede na umupo. O, diba? Level up ng kahit konting level up lang, guys. Diba?
I don't think high standards ni Isla. It's
Yeah,
just that
she
she
just wants
wants to
effort.
see. Exactly, effort. Diba?
And I think that's what a relationship naman is about. It's not like we want fancy things, but we just want to know and we want to see that we're being valued and that we're being taken care of and that our partner is actually paying attention to our
kailangan yung
needs,
amor.
diba? And our wants.
So, wait kayo. Valid ba yung breakup?
Yeah. Yes. For me.
Ako,
Me,
somewhat.
it's a yes. It's
Somewhat?
a yes.
Somewhat.
3rd year? Oh my gosh, yes. You're cut off. So,
Yes.
Yes,
Let's
80%
see.
said yes.
Ah.
We want more in life.
Here's what I think kasi. Do you think si Isla na-communicate niya kay Torio beforehand yung nararamdaman niya? Kasi, guys, you have to take into consideration, it's been 3 years.
Right.
Malay mo, iniisip lang ni Torio na, ito yung special place namin. Baka
Right.
biglang sobrang meaningful to sa amin. Pero biglang si Isla, even though she's very rakatera, she's very out there, she's not able to communicate her feelings with Torio. What do you guys think about that?
So you're
That's a good
saying
point.
she's the problem?
Hindi naman. Grabe naman.
No, but yeah, communication is key nga naman
Diba?
in
Yeah,
everything.
that's
Like,
true.
if you want progress, you should have communicated. But I think she did though.
Yeah.
Diba? I mean, the fact na she's always telling him na she wants more, she wants a cake now. Ayun, may cake nga naman.
Saka sometimes it's not naman about like reading between the lines, but it's actually paying attention. So you don't
Yun.
have to be like, hey, can you do this for our anniversary? You don't have to be super specific, but like diba, in a casual conversation, she'd be like, oh, sana naman ganito, or like this is what I want. And if Torio, if he's paying attention to that, then he'd have an idea of what Isla would want.
Right.
Diba?
I get what you guys are saying. Kasi if you're in that relationship for so long, for 3 years, you would get the subconscious cues.
Yeah.
In a way na parang the eye roll or whatever. You
Yeah.
would know that if
Right.
you've been with your partner for a long time. Yeah, so I agree with you guys na. I agree with you.
Hindi kasi may mga tao sa relationships very ignorant sa mga needs of their partners. Parang they just go walk through it. Like, everything's happy. No, hindi mo nagigets, hindi na ako masaya. Madaming kulang na.
Name drop.
So maybe, Torio's not a bad guy. He's actually a good guy. He's just not aware. Diba?
Very manhid siya sa nararamdaman ni Isla, but I think the intentions are there eh.
Yeah,
Wait,
for
anong
sure.
say ng mga katropay? Okay, you are still voting. I hope you use the QR code right now if nakaka-relate kayo. And so far, 92% agrees with us.
Wow. Thanks,
Communication is key.
Yeah, because we all agree that kailangan mag-level up parate
Oo naman.
when it comes to the relationship.
Oh, imagine nyo, pati anak nyo, puro fishball ang
Oh my
kakainin,
gosh,
di ba?
grabe. Malusog ba yun sa kabataan?
Parang no.
Parang no, deep
Parang
fried
siyang
lahat.
turo-turo food. Sometimes yes,
Oo.
sometimes no.
Yeah.
Diba? It can be
Minsan oo,
always.
minsan hindi.
Ay, wow.
Diba?
So,
Wala
82%
pala to.
agree. Guys, what do you think? I think we all agree.
Yeah?
So, that's it for Uzi Presents Iba for today. Stay tuned for more of that tomorrow night.
That's right. And up next, isang katropay natin ay may kwento tungkol sa ex niya at ang disapproving parents nito. Baka makarelate kayo, katropay. Plus, of course, the first interactive concert on TV featuring our musical guest, Neptali Toribio. All that and more on Moments when Pie Night Long returns. See you guys!
BRB, balik kayo dito ha.
Ang dapat gawin kapag nakipag-break ang jowa ay kausapin mo na mabuti at alamin ang totoong dahilan kung bakit siya makikipag-break.
Tatanungin muna kung bakit. Then, kung kaya pa naman, syempre, paglalaban ko pa din.
Lahat po ng sweet memories po namin, lahat po ng pinagdaanan. Ready-made ko po sa kanya lahat na na ano po, nasayang naman po lahat ng pinagsamahan namin po sa simpleng dahilan lang maghihiwalay po kami.
Nilalambing ko ang asawa ko pamamagitan ng paghalik, hihingi ng sorry.
Pag nagkita kami, manilibre na siya ng food.
Kung anong gusto niya, ay napagkain.
Nagsabi lang ako na I love you, tapos okay po. Ganun lang siya kakarupok.
Ganito po ako sorry sa jowa ko. Kinikilit dito po siya, tapos nilalambing-lambing. Once po na hindi po effective yun, sasamahan ko po ng pagkain. Tapos pag yun po, pag hindi pa rin po umepek yun, ako naman po yung magtatampo para siya naman po yung mamano sa akin sumuyo. Tapos pag dating po sa time na yun, hindi na po ako Pag once na po nang sinuyo niya na po ako, yun na, bati na po ulit kami. Pag nakipag-break sa'yo ang jowa mo, edi break na.
Sure?
Yes, sure, wala nang balikan.
Bakit?
Siyempre, nasaktan ka na, so, di ba? Learnings na yun sa'yo. Kailangan mo nang may mas better pa na dadating sa'yo.
Look at us. Yeah, and welcome back. You're still watching Pie Night Long. But before you read your tweets, guys, I just want to give a shout out to my serenades who are watching on YouTube. I want to say hi to April, to Ish, to Cutie. Sino pa ba sila dito? Si April, si Cutie, si Ish. Ayan, yung mga si Ina also. Thank you guys for watching. Sana naman mag-tweet kayo din para naman we can feature it mismo
I
here.
love it. They're called Serenades.
Serenades. They're the ones who thought, yeah, they were,
that's cute.
they decided that for themselves.
I love it. Wait,
okay,
I gotta say hi to the Karen addicts who are tuned in. First, my mom. Hi to Rain. Hello.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Hello to Henivan. Miyuki, of course. Hi to Renita, Brian. Hi to Aaron Maniego. Huh? Kasama mo siya sa YouTube talaga, no? Yeah, Alicia. Everyone, hello.
Hi, guys. Thanks for watching. But first, let's read naman the tweets na. Pero Karen, can you read it? Because I can't. I cannot
101.
read that.
Okay. This from Ina Mendez. Such a fun and good vibes channel. Perfect sa mga night shifts or graveyard shifts. Like me, itong hashtag Pie Night Long. Totoo yan.
We're in this together kasi kami din graveyard shift. Diba?
And then we have drinks, we have food, so we're gonna be up all night long.
Exactly. Meron pa mga one more?
Oh yes, this is from Erica, tama ba? Okay.
Aika.
Aika. Wow, kaya mo pala eh.
No, I heard him say it.
Okay, may dahilan na para magpuyat muli. Hashtag Pie Night Long. And then tag us with the hashtag Grand Pie Nalo Week. Yay!
Wow. Oh, there's one more.
From Joanne. Cool ng Uzi. Sarap abangan ang kwento. Totoo yan. It's super fun. Actually, pinapanood po namin yan on the spot. So we don't know what's gonna happen next.
So yeah, we're in it with you guys. Sabay-sabay tayong mag-react to this, diba? Yeah. So kung kanina naman, naki-Uzi tayo sa mga napanood natin, ngayon naman, feelings ang ating topic of chikahan. And of course, it helps kung may katropa kang sasandalan. Ouch!
Banggaan tayo dun. Kaya, don't you worry because we got you!
Yeah.
Andito kami para sa inyo, para samahan kayo sa tuwa, sa lungkot, sa kulitan. This is Moments!
Diba? As always, make sure to scan the QR code on this screen or go to pie.com.ph/join para naman makasala kayo sa interactivities namin. Diba?
Tamang-tama dahil magsisimula ng ating interactive concert. So, oras na para piliin ang first song ng ating musical guest na si Neptali Toribio. So, is it Binaliwala? Kakantingin ko talaga eh.
Go!
Ito. Baliwala, Let Me Be The One, or Kung Maibabalik. There you go. Tama ba? Kung Maibabalik. Alright, yun. Yung mga options po natin. Pero parang dalawa na lang yung options na nandyan.
Let Me Be The One at saka Binaliwala.
Binaliwala. O yan. You got A and B. Go ahead, choose your feels for tonight.
Yes.
That's what I like about the show. Sila mismo pipili.
Exactly. You are like the boss of the show, guys. I'd say. So,
yeah. Paano ba mag-vote? First of all, use your phones and scan the QR code. Ayan.
On the screen.
There you go. Sobrang simple lang po yan. Tingnan natin. Hoy, parang umuunang Let Me Be The One. Ang daming gusto mag-break up, no?
Is it breakup season na ba? Okay, can I just say I'm super glad that I don't have to worry about that because I'm single right now. So I don't need, alam mo yun?
Yeah, you don't need to bother.
Yeah.
But are you the type that wants to end things first?
Sana, but I mean, ideally. Ideally. Ikaw ba?
Well, I'm a little bit of a martyr. I want, hindi naman
You're gonna wait.
I want to wait till the very end till I know it's a zero.
Wow.
You know?
Okay,
But
fair.
maybe I've changed. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll see.
5 seconds, guys. Anong gusto niyong first song ng ating musical guest for tonight?
Binaliwala. Napaka-ano sad. Wait lang, 50-50? Is that right? 50% for
Oy.
both songs. So, half ng first song.
Remix! Mash up.
Oh, dahil dyan, I suppose, papabayaan na natin dun sa artist natin, diba?
Okay, okay. So, ganun pala yun. And now, guys, please welcome on the Pi Night Long stage, the very first interactive concert on Philippine television. Wow, I am honored to say that. Give it up for Neptali Toribio! Woo!
Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin na minamahal ko. Pakisabi na lang na wag nang magalala at okay lang ako. Sabi nga ng iba, kung talagang mahal mo siya, hahayaan mo. Hahayaan mo na mamaala. Hahayaan mo na lumisan. Kaya tumihiling ako kay Bathala na sana ay hindi na siya luluha pa, na sana ay hindi na siya mag-iisa, na sana lang ingatan mo siya. Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. Nawalan na ng saysay ang pagmamahal na kay tagal ko rin binubuo, na kay tagal ko rin hindi sinuko. Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo. Ito na muling awit na iyong maririnig. Ito na huling tingin na dati siyang kinikilig. Ito na huling araw ng mga yakap ko at halik. Ito na, ito na. Sabi nga ng iba, kung talagang mahal mo siya, hahayaan mo. Hahayaan mo na mamaalam. Hahayaan mo na lumisan. Oh, ingatan mo siya. Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. Nawalan na ng saysay ang pagmamahal na kay tagal ko rin binubuo na kahit tagal ko ring hindi sinuko. Binaliwala niya ko dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo. Ito na muling awit na iyong maririnig. Ito na huling tingin na dati kang kinikilig. Ito na huling araw ng mga yakap ko talik. Ito na, ito na. Ingatan mo siya.
Woo! Mapalaki!
Oh my God!
Sakit!
Amazing.
By the way, welcome to Thai Night Long. We got, of course, Natalie Toribio, but who are you?
Whoa!
What's your name? Please introduce
Eldrin,
yourself.
Eldrin, yes. Eldrin po.
Eldrin, okay.
Ako po si Neptali Toribio. Hello po sa mga...
Naptali is such a cool name.
Oo
Can I just
nga.
say? Yun ba talaga name mo? Or
Ano
screen
po,
name?
hindi, pangalan ko po talaga yun.
Naptali. Anong nickname mo?
Nep.
Nep.
Or like, if sobrang galing, Hanep!
Ay, galing. Karen! Amazing.
Habi.
Karen Pons.
I know.
Strike 2. Okay. Guys, okay, first of all, question muna. When did you start your career in music? And paano kayo nagsama-sama together?
Ako po, bata pa lang, kumakanta na ako. Pero nag-start po ako ng, kumbaga parang music life.
Right.
18 years old.
18.
Yes.
Okay.
Choir po ako nung bata eh.
Choir. Anong part mo? Soprano? Alto?
Soprano.
Soprano.
Okay.
Well, mataas ang boss.
Mga professionals, no? Talaga
Ang
may
alto.
alto, soprano.
Yun.
Okay.
But you guys have been partners for a long time?
Yes. Ano po kami?
As a band.
As a band, yes.
I got get the wrong
As a
impression.
band. Ako misinterpret.
Oo nga eh. Pero sobrang panakit talaga yung kanta nyo. Ba't yun yung mga options?
Opo, para sa mga binaliwala. Kumbaga parang nagmahal ka, tapos naghahangad ka ng kapalit. I mean, balik
balik.
na love. Pero hindi na nabigay.
Nangyari na ba sa inyo yun?
Sa akin, hindi. Sa akin, hindi pa.
Ay, hindi pa.
Sa akin, oo. Ay, oo.
Wait, ano muna? Are you guys taken, single? What is
Yeah,
your...
yeah, there you
Single.
go.
Single.
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 Okay. Nakaka-relate ba kayo? Siyempre, did you guys watch the Uzi Presents Iba kanina, di ba? Anong naman ang take nyo sa nangyayari with Torio and Isla? At meron ba kayong thoughts about that? Diba nag-break sila?
Valid ba na
ganyan.
nag-break up sila? Like, binaliwala. Hindi naman sa binaliwala. Break up
3
nga
years
ni
sila.
Isla si Torio. Dahil nga, alam mo yun, puro
3
fishbowl.
years na kasi fishball lang pa rin sila for their 3rd anniversary. Gusto ko binibigyan natin sila ng context.
Oo,
Diba?
yes.
Diba? So, may thoughts ba kayo doon?
Para sa akin po kasi mahirap din yung part ni ni sino yun? Si Torio, yung lalaki.
Yes.
Oo. Kasi kumbaga parang yun lang yung kaya niya maibigay for now.
Right.
Hindi natin masabi, malay mo, di ba? For in the future.
Yes.
So, para sa akin, kung ako si Torio,
Yes.
kumbaga parang kung mahal niya talaga si Isla, kumbaga, doon na tayo, direct to the point, magsumikap. Ganon.
So you believe guys
I like
must adjust dun
Yes.
sa babae?
Yes.
Hindi
Kasi,
yung ako to, wala ka nang magagawa.
yes, dapat talaga siya yung mag-a-adjust. Kasi, in the future, magkaroon sila ng family, di ba? Lalaki talaga yung magdadala sa family nila. So, yun
That's
lang.
good. Guys, nakaka-relate ba kayo sa thoughts ng ating guest performer si Neptali? Let's see sa mood meter. Ano ba? Hindi, no? Sobra or Kebs? So, sabi niya, dapat daw magsumikap talaga, which is true naman. From both ends, di ba? To make a relationship work, dapat magsumikap on both ends. But anyways, abangan niyo dahil may performance pa si Nep mamaya, di ba? Ang mag-partner.
Magbanda po. Magbanda.
Magbanda. And sa mga gustong magparamdam, oh my gosh, magpa-dedicate ng kanta, magpatama dyan. Guys, just tweet us using #PieNightLong. We'll make it happen for you guys. Kami magiging wing people nyo.
Yes,
With
yes.
people.
And when we return, isang week-long story ang bubuksan namin sa pagbabalik ng Moments on Pi Night Long.
Welcome back to Pi Night Long. Before we get started, magpapasalamat po muna kami to a certain number of people who are watching live right now.
A lot.
A lot pala.
So thank you so much sa mga nanonood and nagko-comment ngayon sa YouTube. Go ahead and be a subscriber of the Pi channel. Hello to Miyuki, hi to Vincent Villahin, also to Gira, April Galupe, and Joanne Besada, April Enganti, and dami. So thank you so much. Keep on posting and also using the hashtag Pi Night Long.
Yes, and I just want to shout out to all of my Borby fam out there. Kung ikaw, Karen, natin sa akin naman mga Borby, mga Bortang Barbie. Grabe, I know you guys are watching. Maraming salamat po talaga. So let's get on with reading the tweets using your hashtag Pi Night Long.
This from Cherry.
Cherry.
Cherry for you. There you go. Grabe, pinapanood ko lang si Aaron. Uy, sa TikTok. Guys, sikat to sa TikTok, promise. Tapos ngayon, may show na siya. Congrats! Hashtag female, hashtag Pi Night Long.
Thank you so much.
Wait lang, how many followers on TikTok?
Auntie lang.
Ano, like how many?
Kaya na. Kaya na pambayad ng renta. Pambayad ng renta.
Guys, 1.8 million. O, diba? Lakas. This is from Alicia Marie. Okay. Sabi niya, Serenades represent! Oh, mga fans ni Renee. Super loving this trio. Thank you guys. We love you back.
Can I just say, guys, sobrang swak na swak yung pagcast natin. Kasi kaming tatlo parate, whenever we go inside, our outfits are always in sync.
Yeah.
Parang hindi kami planned, hindi kami whatever. Biglang magmumukhang color coordinated na lang from the same universe talaga.
So, same wavelength. Tamang-tama lang yung timpla natin together. Oh, ngayon naman, panoorin natin ang kwento ni Junel, isang engineer from Makati. So, Junel, ito ang moment mo. Let's watch!
Hi, ako si Junel Rapid. Naghiwalay kami ng ex ko dahil hindi ako gusto ng nanay niya. Nakilala ko yung ex-girlfriend ko sa family. Yung mom niya at yung tatay ko ay magka-batch nung high school. Kaya lang hindi ako gusto ng nanay niya kasi tingin ko dahil dun sa ugali din ng tatay ko na makulit, maloko. Siguro naging mirror image na ako ng tatay ko. Most of the time, kalahin. Ang pinakamasakit is yung sinabihan ng nanay niya, wag daw akong piliin, walang patutunguhan dahil maloko lang ako, makulit lang akong tao. Yun. Masakit sa akin yun. Kasi alam pa sa sarili ko naman na may future ako. Wala pa kami isang buwan ng ex ko na sinagot niya na ako. Nag-expect na ako na ako yung magiging escort niya dun sa debut niya. Nagsuot na ako ng coat, tapos long sleeves coat, tapos may necktie pa ako yan. Pero may tinawag na iba yung nanay niya. Nasaktan ako nun. Kinausap ko din naman right after ng party. Sabi ko, ba't naman gano'n na nakala ko ako yung escort? Wala siyang magagawa kasi nauna. Tanggap ko naman, tago lang kami. Pero yun, masakit talaga, masakit. Pag-usapan namin ng ex ko na unti-unti nang sabihin sa mama niya na kami na mas pumunta na ako sa kanila, nagdadala-dala pa ako ng pagkain noon. Hindi talaga maganda yung vibe. Pag nandoon ako, nagkagantuhan lang kami. Maya-maya, tatawagin niya yung anak niya para kausapin. Tapos pagbalik, ang tanong sa akin eh, kung anong oras ako uuwi. Kaya ako nagstay kahit alam ko na hindi gusto ng mama niya. Kasi gusto ko yung patunayan na kaya kong mabago yung tingin sa akin ng mama niya. Kaya kahit hindi ako tanggap, nag-i-effort ako. Baka one time or one move, magbago yung tingin sa akin ng mama niya. Yung time na yun. Pero hindi nangyari.
Grabe.
Jonel, baby boy.
Nakita mo yung mata niya?
Oo.
Talagang
Palawana.
Malapit na eh.
Oo.
Ramdam ko yung ano niya, frustration niya.
Tsaka kitang-kita mo na napaka-genuine ni Jonel eh. Hindi siya naman yung tipong walang mali siya na kahit ano, yung pinag-express nga niya na gusto niya manligaw. Tsaka yung pinaka-importante doon, sinabi din niya, gusto din niya manligaw sa pamilya. May mga ibang tao manliligaw lang sa jowa pero hindi sa pamilya. Minsan wala silang respeto sa pamilya.
Oh. True. Actually, he sounds like a good guy. And the thing is, actually sila na. Pero at one point, yung nanay nga, nag-intervene at pinaghiwalay sila. So yun yung ano niya, yun yung problema niya. Kasi ngayon, parang hindi na sila okay. Hindi siya maka-infiltrate sa family. Dahil nga yung mom, binakura na siya. And nakita mo na yung mata niya, oh. Imagine mo, you guys have a prom or a ball. Tapos, naka-dress up na siya, ready na siya. Tapos biglang, hindi pala siya yung date.
Hindi siya yung date. Ginawang escort.
Oo.
Masakit yun talaga kasi no matter how good your intentions are, if someone, the most important person to your jowa, kumare, yung mom niya, yung father niya, kung sila mismo ayaw na sa'yo, parang mahirap talaga eh. Oo.
So, it's like, kunyari ikaw yung child, ako yung parent. Alam mo yun, ang hirap gumalaw.
Oo.
Especially if you're below 18.
Oo.
Yung allowance mo.
Totoo. Nung control pa niya buhay
yung
mo.
buhay mo. Dun sa parents mo. Tapos sinabi ng parents mo, bawal. Ano yun?
Grabe. Pero do you think ba na valid yung pag-block ni Mommy kay Jonel tsaka sa partner niya?
Okay, just the fact that Jonel is, sending out this message to everyone, it's a concern na he sounds like a responsible person. Unang-una, hindi naman siya balakbol na sinasabi ng mommy niya. Kasi parang yung mom niya, kino-compare siya dun sa daddy.
Sa dad, oo.
And yung dad parang happy-go-lucky. But the way he was talking, he seems serious. And he does have a career.
Engineer pa siya.
Engineer! Diba? So, can afford naman siya. And parang logical din naman yung mga sinasabi niya. And ang pinaka-important doon, gusto niyang makuha nga yung validation ng parents. Especially the mom. So, he cares. May mga guys kasi they absolutely do not care.
About the parents,
they
about the family.
They don't care about the respect of the parents.
Yeah.
But he does. So, I think he's a nice guy. I feel sad na hindi siya makikitaan ng mabuti ng mom.
Conversely naman, nakikita ko rin yung aspeto, yung point of view ni Mommy, na tipong, there's this person na gusto manligaw sa anak ko and ako naman, I'm very protective of my daughter. No matter how good the intentions of that person is, parang, syempre, we have to be more cautious about that.
And
diba?
there's nothing wrong to be protective. So, here's our question for all of you. Lalayo ka ba sa taong mahal mo kung sinabi ng parents mo? Romeo and Juliet, is that you?
Romeo. Ikaw, what do you think?
Okay, hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
She's watching. Both our parents
Both
they're probably watching. But I'll be honest with you, tao lang ang parents natin. Okay, alam ko may parents' intuition and they want the best for us. And they don't see the best immediately kasi naghahanap sila ng butas kasi gusto nga nila the best. So, although honor thy father and thy mother, nasa Biblia nga ito. Pero hindi naman all the time. When it comes to love talaga, gusto ko pinaglalaban ko yun eh. Until ako mismo makalaman, ay, mali pala. Mas magandang voluntary exit eh. Kaysa yung in-exit ka ng
yung parang
nagsasabi sa'yo.
mas okay na ikaw yung magkamali.
Yes, that's for me.
Ako naman yung nakikita ko sa side ko, kuwari kasi I've had past relationships that have ended badly and yung parents ko talaga yung tama.
Yeah.
And ako mismo sa sarili ko, hindi ko nakita yun because I was young and ako yung tipong, wala lang, na-fall lang talaga. And alam ng mga magulang ko yan na I got blinded by love. Kaya,
how old were you then?
I was last year.
I was a sweet 16.
I was last year.
Super young then.
Alam mo na natin ang resulta ng poll. Sabi
Lalayo
nila,
ka ba?
No.
Sa minamahal mo, pag sinabi ng parents, oh my gosh, it's a firm no.
Firm no.
90%. Tama ba? Parang, it's a big percentage. Palaban ang mga natin, katropais natin.
Ang say ko dito is, I agree with you in saying na, kubare, ikaw, you know yourself. Kilala mo sarili mo, you know what you want, you know what you deserve.
Yeah.
Diba? As adults, yun yung deserving natin. Kaya, a lot of our katropais would say no. And yung aspeto ko naman, yung point of view ko, is yung para sa mga mas hindi nakakaalam tungkol sa love life. Sa mga mas bata, mga 18 years old and below, diba? Doon pa yung tipong
kasi last year 18 ka eh.
Oo, feeling 18 lang last year. Oo, pero yun pa rin, in a mindset na mas immature pa. you have to take into consideration na mas may naaalam pa rin sila sa'yo.
So we agree, pag 18 and below,
Kapag 18 and below,
kami do follow your parents. Pero if it's above and you can decide for yourself, kami, again, this is our personal opinion, then go for your mistakes.
pero, tsaka, truly, it's okay. It's better to make, sometimes it's better to make mistakes themselves than to be hindered. Kasi minsan kapag hinihinder ng magulang, ito pa mismo yung gusto mo pang gawin, diba?
Doon ka maggagawa ng illegal, doon mo gagawin yung, ipupush mo yung kahit, alam mo, it's not right, but you'll do it just because. Because you're being told,
not to do it.
Bawal. And so really, you as a child, it's really up to you. Not naman child, pero if ikaw sinabihan ka, pero ikaw you already work, you already earn your own money, you can decide for yourself. I think it's best talaga when you make your life decisions. At the end of the day, hindi naman siya yung mag-aasawa sa sa boyfriend mo or girlfriend mo, di ba? Ikaw.
Yung parents mo naman hindi magdi-deal with sa partner mo 24/7.
Yeah.
Diba?
And you wouldn't want to have a shoulda, woulda, coulda moment. Kasi diba,
yung parang totga.
Kunyari, after 5 years, siya pa rin yung gusto mo. Siya pa rin yung iniisip mo. Lahat ng nirereto ng parents mo, wala talaga eh. Siya talaga eh. Wala na, meron na siyang iba. Kasi na-let go mo siya.
So parang, take the opportunity, at the same time, take the learnings from it.
Yeah.
Tinuturo sa akin ng mama ko, sabi niyan, kapag magkakamali ka man, kung nanggastos ka or you paid the price, ang tawag dyan, tuition fee. You paid, you learned. Yun yung pinaka-importante.
Yeah, I think every day is a learning day and we don't really pick the right things immediately. Kaya nga dami natin mga pinagdadaanan ng mga boyfriend, girlfriend. Totoo yan, di ba? Kasi hindi naman sila all meant to stay in your life.
Some are meant to teach you something.
A lesson.
A lesson.
Oo.
And then some are just meant for keeps.
The forever that we've all been hoping for. But you know, Junel looking at Junel, I think he's for keeps.
For keeps talaga. Mga engineer talaga. mga stable income.
No, but wait, engineers, ano yan talagang ano yan, kaching.
Kaching talaga.
I mean, it's a good career. And also, it's really up to you. Again, it's up to you if you want to keep someone in your life. Decide. That's my opinion.
Yun, I think my last point then is to add a certain level of maturity in it. If mature ka enough to know what you're worth, to know what you deserve, go. Tapos, it also depends on lastly, independence towards your parents then. Kung if you're still dependent then, kailangan mo pa sila sundan.
Ayan. So, kung bitin kayo sa kwento ni Junel, don't you worry dahil may chapter 2 yan bukas sa Moments mo.
Yes, and always make sure to tweet us using #PieNightLong. And especially kung may pa-shoutout kayo, or tanong, or paramdam kay crush, kay Junel, basta tweet nyo lang kami.
Yes, and I've got something special for all of you. When we return, you're watching Moments on Pie Night Long.
Shareable din ba ang kaganapan sa love life mo? Kwento nyo na sa amin yan. Message us on facebook.com/IamPieOfficial or email us at pienightlong@gmail.com. At malay nyo, kayo na ang